it's being integrated all across the board. So how do you invest? Don't know. Like you can invest in Ethereum and Bitcoin and some other ones personally. You can buy ETFs. Sometimes you can buy an ETF that's filled with a bunch of companies that do it. But there's not a lot of opportunity to invest in cryptocurrency in the same way there was the internet. There's a lot of private ways, like there's plenty of private ways. Public, not so much, which is a problem for most people because most people are not experts enough to invest in private. Let's look at AI. AI is even worse. You can't invest in Chat GPT because Microsoft owns it and it's not moving the needle for their performance. You can't invest in Anthropic. You can invest in Google, but you can't invest in their AI because it's just emerging and frankly, I don't really like it, but it's certainly not going to move the needle in their profits at the moment. So how do you invest in AI? Well, you can buy some infrastructure. What's that? Data centers. You know, you can invest in NVIDIA. That's why everybody invests in NVIDIA. I'm not sure it's going to have the legs that it's had up till now, but you know, you can. So where do you invest, right? Well, a lot of it's going to be private. And frankly, I've said this in the show, the best way to invest is in yourself. Invest in yourself with AI. Know how to use it, how to it's going to create everything you want in this world eventually because of the way that the progression is going. So you're going to invest in a company that might not be around in 5 weeks because someone else is doing the same thing. That's where we're at. So it's a big, I'm just using this frame because it's a big puzzle to think about. It's not as simple as just put me in an AI stock. Well, things have evolved since the 90s. It doesn't operate the same way.